So another frequently asked question that we get often is, what do the fields mean? When we're looking at the fields that are available to build your filter, they are based off of um, different data points available inside Roomkey. And sometimes they are straightforward, for example, transaction code or arrival date, departure date, but sometimes they're not as straightforward. So, what I've done is in our support website, I've actually created a brand new support article called Fields in the Report Wizard. And this actually lists off all of the fields that are available in the report wizard, and it gives a definition for each of those fields. Now, this is available from our support website, so that's support.roomkeypms.com. Let me just pull up our support website and show you where you can find this. Of course, you can do a keyword search. You can look for fields in the report wizard or report wizard fields using our keyword search at the top. Or you can find it in the just the basic sections. It's found in the reports and reporting tools manual. You'll see the report wizard section here, and this new article is called Fields in the Report Wizard. So like I said, this will go through a list of all the different fields. We have a table of contents here to make it a little easier. So if you want to see, let's see what type of fields are available when you create a report based off of reservations, and you want to see what type of guest fields are available there. We've got the field name listed on the left-hand side and a description of that field and where it can be found. I've gone ahead and also added in information specifically for the different sections. So when you're looking at reservations or reports based off of reservations, that data can appear in a bunch of different areas. So if you'd like to see where that information appears inside Roomkey, you can click on this drop down, and that will actually give you a screenshot of where you can find this information. So for example, any guest info is going to be found on the guest info tab of the reservation. So things like guest name, contact details, payment method, or telephone information. You'll also find second address information here. I've also shown an example of where you can find this information, guest information on the guest profile module. So it's found in the main guest info, extra info, or credit card tab here in the guest profile. So that is available when these fields are found outside or in specific areas inside Roomkey. Let me just scroll back up here. Um, Couple more features here. Like I said, this is based off of the different types of reports that you can create. So reports based off of reservations or based off of transactions. If you're heading down to the types of transaction fields that you can pull, that'll show down here as well. Great. Um, Last feature that is available when you are using this fields in the report wizard support article is that if you're using a browser, obviously, to access this available on our support website, you can do a search or find feature using your browser functions. So with my browser is Internet Explorer, I can use the Control F key to find a specific term. If you want to find a term like source, that'll allow me to search for the term source and I can see what that field means. So I've got source as a field there, or maybe source of business field as well. So hopefully that helps out with your searches and as you are building your custom reports and figuring out what those fields mean as you're going through the report wizard there.